on, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control myself. And I know that I'll be great now, putting on a show. I know that I'm a mistake now, drowning out the nose. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off being their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy. But society has me going so crazy. Yo, don't blame me, no my mind's hazy. Yo, and I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. Tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right. Cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control, then don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down.
Teman-teman panitia semuanya, serta keluarga besar di Kediri. Mulai saat ini, teman-teman akan saya panggil keluarga besar.
They say life will bring discomfort, and I discovered we all just suffer cause no one feels that bad. And it comes from one another, we hurt each other just like a lover, and don't think twice about that. And I feel like something's bad, but hell, I'm used to that. I always turn my back, yeah. And I wanna feel something, but all I feel is pain. I wanna make a change, yeah. You either pick yourself up, or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it all by myself. Got scars, put up my guard. I don't wanna get torn apart. I start to feel my heart race faster, it's pumping hard. And all I want is to be something. That's why I just keep on running. Can't stop what you don't see coming. Yeah, and you know I'm coming. How can I trust you if you don't trust me? I do what I do, cause it is just me, and nothing is new. No, I'm not lucky. I work my ass off, so I'll be some you either pick yourself up or you let yourself down. Life will always be tough, so who the fuck are you now? Will you make it alone, or do you need someone else? I don't need anyone, I'll do it. Need someone else.
Ketika saya memberikan proyek ini, banyak sekali yang meragukan mampu tidak ini dilakukan. Ketika saya menunjuk dua orang tadi, banyak yang tidak yakin bahwa temannya bisa melakukan. Kesungguhan hati teman-teman Anda, kesungguhan hati teman-teman semuanya, maka target untuk mendirikan Merah Putih di atas kolam tercapai oleh Paragon dengan kerjasama yang luar biasa. Sahabat-sahabat saya.
Siapa kita? Paragon. Pokok Bertempat.
They say life will bring discomfort, and I discover we don't just suffer 'cause no one.
Dengan Pak Jarwo, Pak.
Betul.
Untuk outbound hari ini, untuk kesan dan pesan dari Pak Jarwo,
Oke, terima kasih Pak.
sepatah dua kata, monggo.
Siap, alhamdulillah ya hari ini lancar sekali, di luar ekspektasi saya bersama Reborn, Outbound Organizer dan Makoya. Awalnya kita berpikir, aduh sepertinya akan kesusahan. Ekspektasi saya teman-teman bakal kelelahan. Ternyata luar biasa. Di luar ekspektasi saya, teman-teman semangat, kerjasama juga terbentuk. Dan yang terakhir saya paling mengena di hati. Mantap.
Sip. Terima kasih Pak Jarwo. Oke, sukses ya.
Terima kasih Pak.
Oke, selamat siang. Satu kata.
Gizi Kediri, mantap. Acara kali ini seru banget, menyenangkan sekali, happy banget, menyenangkan dan kompak banget, luar biasa hari ini.